Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain the material of environmental biotechnology. I'm from group 15. There is Nuning Triana, that's me, and Muhammad Aksan. Right. What is environmental biotechnology? Environmental biotechnology come from two words. There is environmental and biotechnology. The environment is a combination of physical conditions that encompass the state of natural resources such as soil, water, solar, energy, minerals, and plants and animals that grow both in the ground and in the oceans, with an institution that covers human creation, such as the decisions to use the physical environment. The biotechnology is an offshoot of biology that specializes in the producing of living things to produce living things, goods, and services. So, the environmental biotechnology is a biotech that is applied to and used in the study of natural environment. Biotech of the environment may also mean that one is trying to use biological process for commercial use and exploitation. The international community of environmental biotechnology defines environmental biotechnology as the development, use, and regulation of biological systems for contaminated environmental remediation. There's land, water, and air, and for green manufacturing technologies and sustainable development. So, environmental biotechnology can simply be described as a optimal use of nature in the form of plants, animals, bacteria, fungi, and algae to produce renewable energy, food, and nutrition in a synergistic integrated cycle of profit-making process where the waste of each process becomes the feedstock for another process. Ah, Here's an example of biotech product for the environment. There is bioremediation, phytoremediation, gray biotechnology, septic tank biotech, and net. But in this video, I just want to explain four of these. Right. Number one. Gray biotechnology can use to treat environmental contaminants that occur in soil, water, air, or sediment. Other than environmentally, gray biotechnology is cheaper than chemical disposal. Gray biotechnology is a branch of the environmental biotechnology that taps into the sciences and technique of using the potential of microorganisms for the environment. Next is bioremediation. Microorganisms to counter pollution such as oil spills. One of the microorganisms that respect benefit from is petrophilic. Petrophilic microorganisms use hydrocarbons in petroleum as a source of carbon for the growth of microorganisms. The result is a clean environment that was once contaminated with oil because the hydrocarbons in oil are degraded by microorganisms. Next is phytoremediation. The phytoremediation is the treatment of environmental problems through the use of plants that reduce environmental problems without the need to dig up contaminants and dispose of them elsewhere. One of the methods is polyphytosation. Yes, it calls polyphytosation, using a plants plant to attract contaminating substance from contaminated media, so that is accumulates around the roots of a plant or is distributed to their part of the plants, that leaves and stems. After performing a pathogenesis mechanism, the plant is the plant in then is then pulled up and burned. Okay, the plant is then pulled up and burned. Right. And then the last is septic tank biotech system that manage wastewater disposal. The septic tank biotech is one of the most successful technology product to produce and serve as a domestic filtering and depletion of wastewater, so that water can be passed directly to sewers or public channels without causing offensive silt, water, and water. Right, right. This is my presentations, and thank you.